Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to install Windows Subsystem for Linux 2, WSL2 in Windows 11. Myself Mohammad Zubair, and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid IT pro really fast. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, first of all, we need to open our command prompt or our PowerShell. I'll open my command prompt and I'll open that one as an administrator. So I'll just click on that option here. And now we need to write here WSL space hyphen hyphen install, and that will install WSL2 into our Windows 11. I will just hit enter and here it says Windows Subsystem for Linux is already installed. It means I do not have to download and install it again. After you are done with this one, now we need to do one more thing, and that is open your Windows features, and here it is. I'll just click on that one, and from here we have to enable some of the features for our Windows Subsystem for Linux. I'll scroll down. So from here, make sure to enable virtual machine platform and Windows Subsystem for Linux, which is right here. After you are done with that one, just click on OK and it will do some changes into your system. As I have already done that is why I have not seen any message. In your case, it will take some time and then it will ask you to restart your system. Now I'll show you that how you can install a particular Linux distribution with the help of your WSL2 into your Windows 11. So for that purpose, I'll open my store. Here I have my Microsoft Store. I'll just open that one, and in that one we'll search for a particular Linux distribution. I'll look for Ubuntu. Here it is. I'll just search for that. So here I have different version of Ubuntu available. I have 20.04, 18.04 and 22.04, which is the latest one. I will just click on that one and I will just install that one. I have already downloaded it, that is why I do not see any message to download it. So I will just click on open. And now it will start the installation process of Ubuntu onto my Windows 11 with the help of my WSL. At the moment, we are not seeing any problem with this Ubuntu. In case if you see any problem, we have a solution and a way out. Just open your browser, and in your browser, just write here WSL2 updater. After that, just hit enter. From here, go to the official documentation from Microsoft Doc, which is right here. I will just click on that one. From here, we'll scroll down, and here it says download the latest package, and down here it says WSL2 Linux kernel update package for x64 machine. Just click on that link and it will download the latest updater patch for your WSL2 updates in your Windows 11. So here if you see, it has started the download process. So we are done with the download of our WSL2 update package. Now I'll just click on that one in order to install it into my Windows 11. So I'll just click on finish and we are good to go. So by doing this, you will not see any problem while installing any Linux distribution with the help of your WSL into your Windows 11. And that was the reason I showed you that how you can download and install a particular Linux distribution from your Microsoft Store into your Windows 11. I'll not go into the installation of this Ubuntu into my Windows 11 because I'll do that one in the next video. So that's it for this video. Please leave a like, subscribe and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.